Good morning, children. Today we will start with a new chapter of geography, that is lesson 5, industries. So what is industry, children? It is a place where goods are manufactured in large quantity for sale in the market, or we can say it refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of mineral, or provision of service. For example, steel industry. Here, steel is produced, so production of goods. Second, coal mining industry. Here, coal is mined, hence extraction of mineral. Then, tourism industry. Here, services are provided, so this come under provision of service. Okay, industry, it is a secondary activity, or you can say manufacturing sector, where natural raw material are changed into the products of more valuable form. Now children, let's come to classification of industry on different bases. So on different bases we classify industry into three categories. First, on the basis of raw material, second on the basis of size, and third on the basis of ownership. So first let's talk about classification on the basis of raw material. So on the basis of raw material, industries are classified into four categories. First is agro-based, second is mineral-based, third is marine-based, and fourth is forest-based. Agro-based industry are those industry using plant and animal product as raw material. For example, cotton textile industry, food processing industry, dairy industry, etc. Second is mineral based industries. Industry using mineral ore as a raw material, example iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry use iron ore, coal and limestone as a raw material. Then aluminium industry use bauxite as a raw material. Then third is marine based industry using sea and ocean product as raw material are called marine based industry. Example, fish products and oil industry. Fourth, forest based industry. Industry using forest produce as raw material. Example, paper industry, pharmaceutical, etc. Now come to the next, that is on the basis of size. On the basis of size, we classify industry as small scale industry and large scale industry. Here, size refers to amount of capital invested, number of people employed, and volume of production. So, in a small scale industry, capital investment is very less, number of people employed is also less, and volume of production is also less. So, such type of industries are known as small scale industry. Example, food processing industries, handicraft industry, etc. Large scale industry, here capital investment is very high, number of people employed are also high, and the volume of production is also high. These industries, they use the latest technology. For example, automobile industry, railway, locomotive, etc. Now, on the basis of ownership, we classify industry into four categories. First is private sector. Industries owned and operated by individual or group of individual come under private sector. Example, Reliance, Tata Motors, etc. Then come public sector. Industries owned and operated by government come under public sector. Example, HAL, that is your Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, Indian Railway, Post Office, etc. Third is joint sector. Joint sector industries are owned and operated by state and individual or a group. Example, Maruti Udyog Limited, Indian Oil Corporation, etc. Fourth is cooperative sector. Industries owned and operated by individual, that is producer or supplier or workers or both, and profit is distributed among all equally, come under cooperative sector. Example, Mother Dairy, Amul, Sudha Dairy, etc. Now come to question I. So first question is, what is industry and what type of economic activity it is? Second question, what is agro-based industry? Give example. Third question, what is mineral-based industry? Give example. Fourth question, what are cooperative sector? Give example. Fifth question, what is public sector? Name India's largest public sector. Children, I am giving you 5 minutes. Do these answers and send to me. Thank you.